Service has issued tornado watch number 129, effective until 05 a.m. Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois, Massachusetts and Pope, and the following counties in Kentucky, Millard, Callaway, Carlisle, Crittenden, Fulton, Gray, Hickman, Livingston, Lyon, Marshall, McCracken and Trigg, and Mississippi County, Missouri. Remember, the tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 129 has been issued until 05 a.m. Sunday for the following counties in Illinois, Massachusetts and Pope, and the following counties in Kentucky, Millard, Callaway, Carlisle, Crittenden, Fulton, Gray, Hickman, Livingston, Lyon, Marshall, McCracken and Trigg, and Mississippi County, Missouri. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for Callaway County, Kentucky, Christian County, Kentucky,